Welcome to another Round Rock Honda YouTube channel video. This is Paul Heath, and today we're looking at the Accord Hybrid. This particular model being the Modern Steel. It's a 2021. We'll have a little look around and we'll take it for a spin. So looking at the back, we can see that we have the parking sensors as standard across here. Backup camera, standard on all of the Hondas these days. We pop the trunk, accessible from the key. You can see in here, great trunk space. We've got the split fold. All hybrids do come with the inflator kit and a couple of little stowage areas there to keep things out of sight. Rags, oil, washer fluid, that type of thing. Nice little detail on the vehicle. We also have this little blue emblem as well on the hybrids on the back. Integrated turn signals on the mirrors here. You might just be able to see that. There you go. And then at the front on the 2021s, slight redesign on all of the Accords. You'll see that we have the front parking sensors on the Touring model. We've got these new detailed fog lamps, active air vent there, LED lights, including the main beam, that little blue surround on the Honda badge. Just a slight redesign there. So on the key itself, we do have remote start. So that would be a hold and press for just about a 4 or 5 second hold, let go, and then you get a flash of 6 on the turn signals there, just to confirm that it's on. With it being a hybrid, obviously, it's a little quieter than normal. Honda sensing standard, of course. Camera up at the top there, and then we've got the radar just down in the grille. Moonroof standard on this particular vehicle, and obviously the shark fin antenna. Proximity entry, just putting our hand on the handle, so touch to lock and then hand on the inside to unlock. You'll see that we have the blind spot information system here on both mirrors, active at 20 miles an hour or more. Grackles are optional, they come with our dealership. Just looking on the side door here, we've got the automatic driver 1 and driver 2 adjustment, so the memory seats, mirrors, all power, door locks, and one-touch windows down on the front, and electric power operated windows for the back. Trunk release on the inside, hood release, parking sensors. This is our new button that they updated, so that's the the safety shield. Comes up with a full green circle. It tells you that your blind spot monitoring is on. Your lane keeping assist is optional there, but road departure mitigation, collision mitigation, braking, everything should be active. All full green means everything is looking good. We've got our traction control system, trip meter and adjustment dial for the brightness on the center console there, on the iMid. And then looking across the steering wheel, let's start the vehicle up. And this is what it looks like when we open up the power to the car. So our home button and this jog wheel allows us to have a look where the power flow is, our range, fuel, economy, speed, audio, phone, traffic sign recognition comes up in the center. Just a whole plethora of cool stuff to have a play with. Rear seat belts is a rear seat belt reminder as well. We can turn that on and off. But let's go for power flow. I like that particular meter. Shows where the battery, whether the battery's powering the wheels, the gasoline part of the hybrid drive system is powering, or both, or what's charging one, i.e. the generator side of it is charging the battery. But automatic headlamps, we've got these paddles here, the minus and the plus, and this is for your regenerative braking. So we can increase the braking ferocity as we coast, or we can decrease here. It just puts more charge back into the battery a little bit quicker. We've got our Bluetooth controls, our audio controls. Over on this side, our cruise control, so adaptive cruise controls here, lane keeping assist there. Telescopic steering wheel, in, out, up and down. It is leather wrapped as well, so it's very nice. Over in the center here of this particular vehicle, we've got the nice touchscreen. It is customizable, so for example, if we want to move something around, we can do. We can just drop things and hide them away as well if we want. But we can do that. Bluetooth standard, backup camera standard. The compass is a compass, but the best bit about this obviously is, in our opinion, my opinion, we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard on the vehicle. Return of the volume knob is lovely. I like that on the Hondas, and it actually feels really nice. It's got a nice little click to it. Don't know if you can hear that, but it feels really good. Dual zone climate control with heated seats. When we open up this, we'll see that we have the QI wireless charger, USB ports down here, and a 12 volt, traditional 12 volt power outlet as well. The electronic hybrid digital drive with the sport button, econ button, EV mode button, and that all registers up here. So see that. We've got the electronic park brake. That comes up and tells us that we're parked. Put your foot on the brake and release, and it goes away. And then under here, really nice extra power down there as well. This is removable. It can drop down the bottom and sit just as kind of like a change tray down the bottom. Cup holders galore, one on the side, two in the front here, one on the other side, and then some extra pocket space as well. On the mirror, we've got the automatic dimming rear view mirror button, and then we've got the home link options here. One touch moonroof with a vent option, sunglass holder. Real nice leather seats as well. If you look at the leather in this, super quality, very nicely stitched. It is real leather, and it's also perforated, which is a real nice touch. Looking at the dashboard, it's faux wood, but it looks very nice. And then in the back, acres of space in the back for 3 adults, with the center armrest, big center armrest that folds down. And then we've got the rear AC and also 2 USB ports in the back there. Just tilt the camera for you. There you go. But yeah, somebody 6 foot plus can easily sit in the back with lots of leg room, and it's a super nice car. So this is a little walk around, little first look at the hybrid, a hybrid Honda Accord touring model. Would help if I open it a bit from the door. There we go. And I'll just demonstrate that room in the back. There you go. Warning, white knees, white shocking legs, I'm afraid. Texas sun hasn't been out very much this spring. But there you go. First look at the vehicle here at Round Rock Honda. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in today.